The human nuclear genome. The human haploid nuclear genome contains about 3.2 billion base pairs, that is around 3.2 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs. The majority of the genome consists of euchromatin, which is around 2.9 billion base pairs. The human genome contains about 21,000 protein coding genes. Genes actually occupy around 25% of the human genome, but protein coding sequences are only about 1.5% of the total genome. The largest gene size is 2.4 million base pairs long, that is 2.4 into 10 to the power 6. And the mean gene size or the average human gene size is 27,000 base pairs long, and the smallest number of exons per gene is 1, and the largest number of exons per gene is 178. The largest exon size is 17,106 base pairs, and the mean exon size is 145 base pairs, and the average percent of GC content is 41%. The average number of genes per chromosome is 1400. The chromosome size actually varies between 55 million base pairs to 250 million base pairs. Chromosome 1 has the maximum number of genes, which is 2968, and the Y chromosome has the lowest, that is 231 genes. Repetitive sequences make up a very large portion of the human genome. Highly repetitive sequences comprise less than 10%, and transposable elements comprise about 45%. And these features of the human genome was actually found out by the Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project was actually a collaborative international government and private sponsored effort to map and sequence the entire human genome. The Human Genome Project, or HGP, was actually fomented by US Department of Energy and NIH. Its actual goal was to discover and map all the human genes and make them available for further biological study. To facilitate the future interpretation of human genome or the functions of the different genes of humans, the HGP also conducted parallel studies on the genetic makeup of other organisms like yeast, fruit flies, mice, Arabidopsis, etc. After years of multi-billion-dollar research, the HGP and Celera Genomics, a non-government biotechnology company, jointly announced drafts of the Human Genome Project in 2000. And as a result of this collaborative work, we got to know the features of the human genome that I mentioned earlier. Thank you for watching.